Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to find profitable products to promote in 2019. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, how do you find profitable products to promote in 2019? So the very first thing is you have to find your niche. That's the very first thing that you have to do before you actually find a product that you want to promote, because I see this all the time in Facebook groups and all sorts of different things. People are asking for the best product to promote, and it doesn't work like that. You have to find your niche first, because otherwise you'll just be all over the place. You'll never make any money, even if it's the best product in the world, and that product will not fit everyone. So first of all, you have to pick your niche first, because that is like the niche is going to be something that you have to be interested in and that will be able to be profitable. So find your niche first, whether it's, I talk about making money online, but you can talk about working out, art. Like I've seen people that have made, millions, like making a course on how to jump higher. Like there's so many ways that you can actually make a ton of money in a niche. But first of all, you really have to find your niche, like what you're interested in, and if there are other people doing it. If no one's doing it, then that means you have no competition, yes, but that probably also means there is no market for it. So first of all, pick your niche. The next thing is it has to be a win-win-win situation. What I mean by a win-win-win situation is, one, you have to win because you have to make some money. That's pretty obvious. Second, the customer has to win as well. They want to, you want the customer to be happy that you promoted something for them that helps them out. Like if you are not ready, if you have a product but you're not ready to promote it, if it wasn't if it was a friend, think about that. If it was a friend, would you promote it to them? If not, then just forget about it and try to find another product. You want people to be happy about what they bought. You don't want to scam people. You don't want anything like that. You want them to be happy. And the third win is the company. And obviously, if you bring a lead to them, you want them to be happy. Don't just try and get someone to buy something and then quit right after or get their money back. Obviously, you can't control everything about that. But if you try to make your customers happy, chances are they will stay with the company and everyone wins. That means you win because you make some money, your client wins because they're happy that they bought something, and the company is happy because they got a new client. So if these three are true, then you're on the right path. If these three are not true, then start all over again, because it's just not a good place to be. People will not like you, that will hurt your brand and all that thing and everything like that. So the next thing is it has to be valuable. I touched on this a little bit, but make sure that everyone's happy. That means your customer wants to thank you, basically. If your client comes to you and says thank you, thanks for promoting that product, it helped me do X, Y, and Z, depending on your niche. If I promote something, for instance, I promote Builderall quite a bit, and that Builderall I use. This is something that I use all the time. This is something that helps make money, and that helps people save some money if they're just starting out as well, because they don't have to buy something for $100 or $800 if they go on ClickFunnels, for example. But that is something that I believe is really valuable. If people don't use that, or they might want to use ClickFunnels, but if they don't use any of them, then like they won't be able to make any money, or it's going to be very hard for them to make any money. But I use Builderall like myself, and I promote that to help people make some money. And yes, I make a commission, but everyone's happy. Like when somebody buys my Builderall, like if somebody buys from me like on my link for Builderall, I get a commission, so I'm happy about that. Then like the customer's happy, that means it might be you. You're happy because it helps you make some money, and it helps you generate some leads. And you know, you might not make money straight away, but at least you get some leads, and then you'll be able to make some money. And the third one is Builderall, because they're happy about that. So promote something that's, in that case, promote something that's valuable to it, like your audience, because that is the way you're going to make money. Don't find the one that's, you know, the best to you because it's going to make you the most money, even though I believe Builderall has the best like affiliate plan, because that's how they make their money, because they don't spend on ads. But like, you can promote anything, but make sure that your audience is happy about that. So if you promote something that sucks, then like that will hurt your brand, and people will like unsubscribe, they won't buy from you, and you know, you're not going to make any money. So the next thing, and I touched on this as well, is there has to be a demand for it. If nobody's selling it, probably there isn't a demand, and it's going to be extremely hard, because if there's no demand, that means nobody wants to buy the product. That means you're not going to make any money, basically. So one of the ways you can find a great product is you go to clickbank.com. I'm sure you've heard of ClickBank, at least most of you have. If you haven't, do not worry, go to clickbank.com and sign up as an affiliate. It's 100% free, and you can promote some product. Now there are a million different products. So first of all, you want to search by your niche, and then there's a little arrow, and I won't show you because this wasn't scripted. I didn't prepare to show you, but it's going to be very easy. You sort by gravity on your computer. So when you sort by gravity, that means that the people who are promoting it are making some sales. The higher gravity score there is, like the more people are making sales that way. So if you sort by gravity, there's a good chance that that's a good product. Now again, you have to get the product, find if it's a good one, because otherwise it's going to be extremely hard for you to like sell it, because you don't know what it's about. So make sure that you actually buy that product, or at least know what it's about. Go and see some reviews and all that stuff, because otherwise it's going to be a lot harder. So you sort by gravity, get one that you really like, not one that's just making you money, but one that you like, and that is going to be probably a very good product. And remember, always do that in your niche. So that's one of the tips. The next one is you can go to Amazon.com. They have everything that you can think of. So if you're doing tech, that's probably a very good place to go, because they sell everything. Now Amazon.com has not very good affiliate commissions. So if you can find somewhere else where they get that they sell exactly the same thing and that you can get better commissions, then absolutely do that. But Amazon.com saves so many people, and like a lot of people are making tens of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars with Amazon. So you can do that as well. Amazon is a good one if you're selling like physical products. What I suggest is you have to find a product that has either high commissions, that means like $1,000 plus, or recurring commissions. Now what I promote is Builderall. Builderall has pretty good commissions like from the start, but it also has recurring commissions. So even though that's something that I really like because I use it all the time, the second thing is it has recurring commissions. So if you're trying to find a product, I'll have that link in the description, and that will help you like if you're wondering what product to promote. But remember that it has to be in your niche. So if you're doing workouts, then do not promote Builderall. Like, do not do that, because that will just hurt you. So this was kind of my video for today, but remember to always promote something that you use, because that is going to be a lot better, because that means, like, if you use it, that means you think it's valuable, and everything will just flow on with that. Because if you don't promote something that you use, that means there's a good chance that you don't think it's valuable, and you know, everything that I just talked about will just crash. Like, so make sure that you promote something that you use. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.